Hey everybody, it's Frank, and for the last 10 years, I've been helping small business owners build stronger and better companies by making little adjustments to achieve big results. Whether it's getting them aligned with their vision or showing them how to eliminate overwhelm, I've seen amazing people do amazing things. Listen, if you're tired of this year as much as I am, I'm here to tell you that this too will pass. And with the right mindset, you and your company can be back on track and headed for new horizons. That's why I'm excited to introduce a new program, the 8-Week Accelerator, an interactive course with me that will guide you through simple tools, weekly sessions, and interactive exercises that will teach you how to get out of overwhelm and focus on what you want. I have used this exact same business model with companies across all verticals and taught them how to install our focus framework to hit their desired target, deal with challenging obstacles, and identify what's wasting their time so they can get rid of it and propel them toward a clearer, better life. This program was created for solopreneurs and small business owners ready to focus on what matters most to their business, but not quite sure where to start. If you want to reinvent your business, if you're ready to have a day you can look back and think, that's the decision that changed it all for my business and my life, then let's talk. Book a complimentary Focus Finder call with me today. You're going to love the feeling you get by putting your focus back on your business instead of waiting for things to happen. And secondly, because I know it's a new beginning for all of us. Click the link below in this description under the video and it'll take you to a calendar page. You'll see an available appointment times. Just grab whichever one works for you. After that, you'll be taken to a really short application, like 3 or 4 questions. Fill it out really quick, click Complete Appointment, and we'll get you on a call with us at the appointment time you picked. It's going to be the best time you've ever spent working on your business. Book your call today. My team and I look forward to working and talking to you very soon. Take care.